Everything's done! I need a drink. Like now. Aw, my little champion. Here. Oopsies! No! I didn't mean to do that! I'll clean the table. Again. Sorry, Mom. Use this, sweetie. Wait! I have an even better idea! Time for a no-spill solution. Mom engineer mode on. No more messes on my watch. And hey, this is recycling at its best. So you can say my juice dispenser is both functional and eco-friendly. Let's make it look fun. Honey, look what I made for you. Wow! Mom, you're a genius! How does it work? Twist this. Okay, let's try. So cool! Oh, good job! Thanks, Mom! Oh, I'm so happy! Best mom ever! How about some pancakes? Yeah, sure! I'm feeling mischievous! Yolk explosion! Why?
Smells good. There's nothing like freshly cooked cardboard. Huh? What's that? Is that a cockroach? Not in my kitchen! Take that! I'll squish you good! Now, where was I? I don't want to burn it. Oh, Mindy! Dinner's ready!
My favorite!
Bon appetit!
Thanks, Mom! I can't wait! Hang on. There's a bug in here! I guess it adds flavor. Achoo! I feel awful. What's that noise? I need to investigate. I have to get closer. What's going on out there? Whoa! Look at that! It looks amazing! I want to ski! It looks cold out there. Ready to hit the slopes.
Where are you going? You're ill.
Me? No, never. Don't sneeze. Please don't sneeze. Achoo!
Oh, no you don't.
But Mom, I'm fine. Well, now you mention it.
Oh, you're burning up.
This is so unfair.
You're going nowhere. You need to get better. No skiing. Got it?
Whatever.
Don't be like that.
Leave me alone.
Oh, I need to fix this. But how can I cheer Mindy up?
This is the worst.
Wait a second. I've got it. I know what to do. Let's get to work. I'll let my inner creativity shine. I'll draw on this piece of cardboard. Then I'll cut it out. Next I need some straps.
Huh? What's Mom doing?
There. That should do it. Mindy.
What is it now?
Take a look at this.
Are those skis?
Try them on.
Whoa! The perfect fit!
What are you waiting for?
I can't believe it! Whoa! Fresh snow! So cool!
You'll need ski poles.
Here goes! Whoosh! Look at me go! I'm gliding over the snow! Nothing can stop me! I feel so alive!
It's a blizzard.
Keep it coming, Mom!
It's a winter wonderland.
Hurry up, Mom!
Happy birthday! I got you a cake. Now, blow out the candle.
I get to make a wish! Wow, I hope it comes true!
There's one more thing. Surprise! It's gift time!
Wow! No way! What is it?
Open it and find out.
You shouldn't have, Mom!
I hope you like it.
This is so exciting! What the? What is this?
Take it out.
It's a bunch of card!
Is something wrong?
I wanted a robot.
A robot? Really? Oh, how silly of me. What will I do? I'll take that. I can't believe I did this. What was I thinking? Wait a second. I have an idea. I can use this card. I'll cut it into a shape. Now I'll fold the edges. Just like this. I want to make a box. Looking good. Now I need to add legs. Next I need a soda bottle cap. This'll do. I'll add a black circle of card to it. I'll do the same with another cap. I'll attach it to a strip of card. That's perfect. This can go onto my box. Then I can decorate it. These squares will be the eyes. It's a cute little robot. I'm pretty proud of this. Here you go. Your birthday wish has come true.
It has? How?
Look at that.
Whoa! Are you kidding me? You got me the robot! This is the best birthday ever! I'm so happy!
That's just what I want.
Hey, little buddy! Look, Mom! I'm doing it!
Very good, dear.
I'm going to be a superstar! But I need to keep practicing. Wow! I'm getting better already! Uh-oh! Look out!
Mindy, what have you done? My flower vase!
Ooh, it was an accident, Mom! There was a gust of wind!
No! Huh? It was all a dream?
This is too easy!
My vase! Oh, Mindy!
Hey, Mom. What's up?
Give me the ball. Oops. Where did it go?
Why would you do that?
I have a better idea. Well, hello there.
Whoa! What's this for?
You'll soon find out.
I'm intrigued.
I just need to do a few more things. I'm almost done. There. That's it. What do you think?
Is that what I think it is?
It sure is.
Let's play! I'm ready, Mom! You know, I'm gonna win, right?
Yeah, right. I'm a pro at this.
Watch out!
Phew. That was close. Let's try that again.
This is great! I'm having the best time!
It's so much fun.
Are you starting to get tired?
Kinda. This floor needs to be vacuumed.
Okay, you two play nice. I'll be watching you.
Aw, that's so sweet. This room is so messy. Hang on. This isn't right. Is the vacuum broken?
Oh, I know what to do. I need to make a call. Hello? I'd like a delivery. Right away.
Here you go, lady. Huh? Who was that? And what is this? Is that a robo-cleaner? I don't believe it! This is the thing of dreams! It's like living in the future. Wow. Look at it go! It's a cleaning machine! This is wonderful!
I knew you'd like it.
Now I can relax. Life will be so much easier. You missed a spot.
Don't tease the robot.
Sorry, I couldn't resist. Coochie-coo. You're so adorable. How about a lollipop?
No!
I've got your pacifier. Maybe this'll help.
That's more like it. Now I'm bored.
Are you kidding me? Ugh, fine. How about a drink?
No, get it away from me!
This isn't working. But I have an idea. Wait right there. Mommy has some work to do.
Let's speed this up.
That looks good. I've got one more thing to do. It's a mini-me.
Ooh, I wanna see. Whoa, it's so cool. Look, it's running. What kind of witchcraft is this?
I knew you'd like it.
I'm getting sleepy watching it.
This show's intense. I can't look away.
Hello, Dolly.
What? Mindy?
It was the cat.
At least she's having fun.
Let's go for a ride. Strap yourself in. Vroom, vroom.
Mindy, be careful.
I haven't gotten my driver's license yet.
Mommy's trying to watch her show.
You can be so boring.
What did I miss?
Aha! I know.
Well, I never. Huh? Mindy?
Turn out the lights.
What are you doing? Hold still.
Hi, Mom.
Just be quiet.
Sorry. I just want to have fun.
This happens every time. Great. Now I feel bad. Look at her.
I'm so bored. I never get to enjoy myself.
What have I done? Wait, I know what to do. Yeah, this'll work. I'll tape cardboard to the stairs. I'll add more layers. I'll need a lot of cardboard. I want to cover the stairs. Oh, Mindy!
What is it, Mom?
You need to see this!
Whoa! Is that a slide? I'm ready, Mom!
Have fun!
Let's do this! Start your engines! Hold on tight! Whoa! Look! She's going so fast! Woohoo! Right on target! Yippee!
You did it!
Thanks, Mom!
Phew.
Is it morning already? Be quiet! I'm too tired to get up. I'm going back to sleep. Wait a moment. The alarm clock. That's not good. Oh no! I broke it. I need to fix it. Maybe I can tape it together. It's worth a try. How hard can it be? It's like a jigsaw puzzle. It's as good as new. No one will ever know. I should be an engineer. I have a gift. Ugh, who am I kidding? It's ruined.
Mindy, get up! You're late for school!
Oh, I forgot about that.
Didn't you set your alarm clock?
It's seen better days.
What did you do?
I can explain.
This is ridiculous!
I can't let that happen. I need to hide the evidence. But what will I do now? Oh, thanks, mysterious hand. This might be useful. I'll need a smaller circle. Then I'll add another piece. I'll wrap cardboard around the edge. I'll glue it in place. Now I need to add legs. They can go right here. It's starting to take shape. Now I'll add the final details. I better set the time. I want an extra hour's sleep. Wow, it's perfect. I'll put it on my dresser. It's nap time. I've earned this. Ah, so cozy. I love sleep.
Mindy, wake up! You're late! Huh? It's only 6 o'clock. Wait, how? I'm so confused. Ugh, I'll let her sleep.
Uh-huh. Masterpiece unlocked. Man, I'm good. Ta-da! What's going on? My markers! Awesome! Time to get organized. And happy to do it. One pen holder coming right up. Open wide. Can't have a mouth without a face. Now put in those pens. Show me what you got. Perfect. I'll just… Stacy? Check out the stash. Where should I put them? Why is math so difficult? Do I even need to know this stuff? Jared! Coming! Ow! What the? I can't figure out these equations. Math? I gotcha. Whoa. No way! Any answers in here? Whew, okay. All done. Wait! Of course! I get it now. These are shapes, see? Math isn't so hard after all. So, what's in all these books? Where am I supposed to put them? Hey, my shoes. Jared must have knocked them over. But the box… That's exactly what I need. It's the perfect little bookshelf. You can put them this way, too. Who's the smart one now? I'm alright. Whoa! You did that? Let's see. Oh yes, this is the one. Get it now? Oh, of course. Not so hard, right? Nope, not at all. Oh, we'll keep practicing. This shade of pink is so me. What about earrings? I must have something in here. But how do I get it out? It's a mess.
What do you think? Green is way more manly.
Wait a sec. A hanger, huh? Sounds like a plan. But why waste these things on jackets when you can hang jewelry on them too? Ta-da! Isn't it adorable? Perfect for earrings. Bye-bye tangles. Hey, check it out.
Ooh. Huh? An earring tree? Rings too? Very nice.
Yep. I'm smart and stylish.
You really are. But what about me? Yeah? Fashion!
If you say so.